Here we have the 2015 Chevrolet Cruze 1LT, stock number 126784. This vehicle has approximately 26,000 kilometers with a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive. This vehicle has a factory exterior color of blue. This Cruze comes equipped with front bucket seats with cloth trim interior, power door locks, as well as remote vehicle start and a rear window defogger. It includes climate control as well as power heated exterior mirrors and 16-inch steel wheels with painted silver wheel covers. Other features include XM satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, ONSTAR turn-by-turn navigation, as well as Chevrolet MyLink with an AM/FM radio with CD player and MP3 playback, 7-inch color touchscreen, and Bluetooth for audio streaming. It includes tire pressure monitors as well as USB ports and a rear vision camera. Here at Finch Chevrolet, we strive to give you the best in previously owned vehicles. This Cruze comes e-tested, safetied, and certified with a complimentary CarProof report. We also offer you the Finch promise of 2 years free oil changes, roadside assistance, and a 30-day exchange privilege. Stop in today and see Finch first. You won't be disappointed.